I am Sri Rabinji. This message to the critical owes to the all civil saints who so far remain sinful acts doing abstaining from harming in mind, speech, words, or depriving food beings to others. হ্যাঁ আসছি আসছি যারা যারা আসছি আসছি I to blame those trio, the Rock, Rajamouli heroes, who last 14 years is in horrible manner, revenue to increase gradually, is 18 years. If I go another gradual increase, 20, 26 years, 30 years, or 35 years, or 40 years, in which horrible criminal attitude. If those things I do not know, their faces reality, how in which way the devotions constantly to remain in mind or to follow me, my all activities all over India or remaining in lab particularly fixed remains one part, the system to remain to follow me, to attack their babies, their wives, their queens, their princes, or the barbar, Rakshas, the Dharsha criminal, rogue, rude, Romas, Rudran, very without reason destructive criminal fears, enemies, demonic curses, powers. They have to make joke with Britishers in Rajamouli film, those rogue criminal barbar, mentioning so many outside unnecessary views bringing about this Mexican girl and cosmos terrorizing glamourful terrorizing white collar nobles, technologists, and to show their technologies at their hand, to do all kind of crime at their whimsical attitude, and nobody cannot see them, learn them. So they do dictate all world in such a terrific, glamorous filmmaking. The film story in such a bold and helpless, great mentality of those heroes who have been maligned by these evil demons, three rocks, Romans, Greek. Those criminals in Rajamouli 3, we have been taken the technological, that criminals of Indian origin who to joke with Britishers, showing their beauty faces to make joke with these black, evil figures, hyenas, dogs, jackals, crocodiles, crookeds, bisons, evil hyenas, wolves, tigers, fierce lions, in a way that unreliable beastism is a horrible horror. That criminal day 24 hours, they to take as if my didn't then time countryman friendship, I am as if not a metamorphosed figure or extreme the power after metamorphosis having that, who is instant in the babyhood is king, is a savior, shepherd, is instant power with his qualities of devas having and brought with that birthright. He is to weigh in such horrible cheating time that magnetic field who to change his memories, his body power, to whom he have be Satan from their predecessor. So follow me from under from my 1960 as if they could not go on, but after 50, 60, 66, which horrible way, they are trying to harm my grandmother, my sister, and my mother's skin. इसके कारण lauter margins reaches to handle all activities from underneath, to instigate my people to do wrong in such a tyrannical way, who are day and night doing torture in criminal attitude to remain mindless peripheries underneath. Earth in earth is a horrible jungle of the demons, the devils, evils, hyenas, whom to remain with the high tale is coming in what envious attitude, to do remain without sparing any second to freely work or think I can report or write or to maintain my life in proper way. This is the strange of this Vidhan Chandra Agriculture University, that criminal anarchist who brought that Bengal's all the great cult demolisher, that evil criminals who to manage those post degree and admission in their government post as a criminal, just remaining criminal, robber, thieves, satans, evil, devil, very unreliable, so anarchist criminal, fanaculous killer, devil, dacoit, gunda, etc., horrible chaos, naked, barbarism, savage, criminal, selfish, giants, barbar. There is that who does not know in the fanatic system what kind of sophisticated automations bringing of the peoples of 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 kilometers away daily to arrange and mix up with the system, each other knowing their bosses, each other, but those peoples are follow and imbibe in certain thoughts, evils, each and all the demoniac kinghood, praise, beauty, as a greatness, they have to be saluted, they have to be feared, they have to be respected as a great man, as if they are doing all arranging foods, drinks for the whole world. The devil's kibbles was the climate changer, doing the devastations with nature's life, wailing with of the lives of the whole creature, terrorizing in his mind. But those peoples are parallelly keeping, and what kind of capacity those peoples to remain White House, Pentagon, or scientific bodies, management, private institutes, charity, board of directors, controllers, regulators, checkers, etc. Like USA, just country where all things supposed to be great is brought all the scanning that all evil you claim, as you claim your human rights cases illegal, is your concern of climate changing, your concern of earthquake, natural, you are always to blame of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, carbon film, the carbon product. You are the in a horrible way that those carbons, petroleum to fuel, the forest to burn, by the evil wish, all other countries, forest, as well also you are destroying your Californians, Amazons, etc., the jungles, then poison trees and your bio warfare program, semi